By selling 5 dozen of mangoes for rupees 20, it was found that a trader makes a 10% profit. What is the selling price if the profit is 32%? Now, whenever selling price, cost price, and loss or profit percentage is involved, you can use this formula. Selling price is equal to cost price into multiplier. Okay. Now, by selling 5 dozen of mangoes for rupees 20. Okay. So selling price is 20. Now, depending on if it is profit percentage or loss percentage, the value of M is decided. When there is profit, the value of M becomes 1 plus fraction equivalent of the percentage. So in this case, the person trader is making 10% profit. So therefore 20 is equal to CP into 1 plus 10 by 100. Okay. So it becomes CP into 11 by 10. So therefore we can say that cost price is equal to 200 upon 11. Now we want to find out the selling price if the profit is 32%. So again using the same formula, now we know the value of cost price and we want to find the value of selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price, that is 200 by 11 into 1 plus 32 by 100. So it becomes selling price equal to 200 by 11 into 132 by 100. Okay. So zeros get cancelled out. This becomes 11 into 12. So therefore, selling price for 32% profit becomes 24.